welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a shop with me video. We're going shopping. You all really seem to like the last video that I filmed that was a shop with me, but I will say that the places that I went in that previous video were a little bit more high end, and in today's video, we're going to places that are a lot more affordable, okay? If you are the type that wants to be bougie on a budget, this is definitely the shop with me for you. We're going to Home Goods, we're going to Kirkland's, and we're also going to Hobby Lobby. So I'm excited to go shopping, see what they have, see if maybe we can find some dupes for more expensive items. I don't know, you have to stick around to see. But if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna go shopping with me, see some affordable home decor in our Falling for Fall series, episode 3. This is the third one, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I wanna thank our sponsor, Revolve. You guys, I love Revolve. I've shopped on Revolve so many times. I'm gonna have my, kind of like a storefront. It's kind of like a Revolve storefront, but it's like my Revolve favorites linked down below. Whenever, and I wanna say like maybe for the past like year and a half, whenever I am taking a trip, going on vacation, I'm going to a concert, like I want something special, I go to Revolve. They have so many unique and gorgeous pieces. I picked up 3 this go around. The first thing that I picked up were these boots, and I love these. This is very out of my comfort zone. If you have been waiting for pops of color on the channel, today is that day. I just love the green heel. I feel like it's very unique. I would probably style this with a black sweater dress and then have like a cute little purse, some cute little accessories. I just think that these boots are timeless because they're a classic shape and brown color, but also very statement because of the green heel. It's just very, very cool and different. I also picked up these black leather pants. These are from the brand Girlfriend, I'm pretty sure, but I'll link everything. I love these. We are going to the Drake concert soon, so I'm probably, actually when you're watching this, we're already there, okay? I am wearing these pants when you are watching this video, and I absolutely love them. I love the fit. I love the shape of them. Like, it's such nice quality. And then the last thing that I picked up was this jacket. It's kind of like this Sherpa material, either Sherpa or like a boucle material. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It has like these leather detailing. This is gonna be perfect for fall. We plan on taking another New York trip this winter, Christmas season. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing this jacket with me. I think it's just like so cozy and cute. So like I said, I will have everything linked down below. Thank you, Revolve, for sponsoring today's video. Check them out if you have a special occasion. Even if you don't have a special occasion, if you just want something stylish, this is gonna be your go-to website. They have the best pieces. So with all of that being said, if you wanna shop with me today, then let's get straight into today's video. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start in Home Goods. Home Goods is probably my favorite affordable home decor place. The first thing that I noticed when walking in were these gray boxes. There was a bunch of them on the shelves, and the material really reminded me of shagreen, which shagreen can be pretty pricey. I'm pretty sure it's like a crocodile or alligator skin, but this is a much more affordable option. And then over here, I saw a ton of chrome home decor, but I just loved all the different pieces. There was a lot of like centerpiece decorative objects that I thought were really, really cool. I saw this beautiful green blanket. I thought this would be really, really nice, especially for fall. I mentioned in the last shop with me that more like darker jewel tones are very, very popular this year. You guys, if you've been watching for a while, you know I have been working with the White Company a bunch this year, and seeing their coffee table book, I don't know, it just like made me smile. So I had to shout them out. Now getting into the vases, this black one here I think is absolutely gorgeous. This is a much more affordable option right here for a Pottery Barn vase that's very popular as well. I just really like this. It's much more of like a long shape. This one back here is also very beautiful. I love the pattern, kind of like a tribal pattern at the bottom. I'm just vase obsessed. If you know me, you know. I just think they're gorgeous on their own. You could put fall stems, like I said, any stems, greenery would be pretty, but I just like them bare. Like I would style a shelf with a bunch of different vases, coffee table, media cabinets, like all of the above. And then I saw this really nice tray. I would describe this as a tray. It was so heavy. I had to have Rob help me. I was about to drop it. It's like this solid stone material, more vases that are neutral and very, very pretty. And Home Goods really came through. And I really like these candles as well. I love the shape, the color, very neutral and aesthetic. And I thought these were just like a fun item. And then I found these candlestick holders. I love love these. I think they looked really, really nice. It's kind of like that hammered metal, but they're gold. I just think they're beautiful. Came 2 in a set. And then I saw this full length mirror that I thought was absolutely stunning. This 100% can be a dupe for the Anthropologie mirror. It is huge and it's gorgeous. So moving on to Hobby Lobby. This has become another favorite. I've actually gone through phases where I'm like, am I really feeling Hobby Lobby? But every time I go in there, I try to focus on shopping sort of like in the center. But before we get to that, these dried leaves and stems are gorgeous. I love them so much. This is where I come pretty much every single year to kind of get like a fresh bunch of dried stems. I love this section over here. The mirrors that you can see on that back wall are another dupe for Anthropologie. This neutral wall art right here was 50% off, and I think it's gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of the one we have in our dining room. It reminds me of Restoration Hardware. I think that's just a beautiful piece right there. When shopping in Hobby Lobby, you kind of have to visualize these things individually. You can't look at the whole cluster of decor up against the wall. You have to really pull each piece and try to, like I said, visualize it on its own. Hobby Lobby had a ton of affordable vases. I've purchased, pottery vases like this, even from Amazon for like $200, like something ridiculous and way too overpriced. You can find vases in so many different textures, colors, shades that look handmade and just are beautiful. You could put some hydrangeas in there that I think would just look gorgeous for your kitchen, for your coffee table. Honestly, anywhere, I love them. Like this, I could spend hours here just like pulling different ones, making a collection together on like a coffee table. I think would be so cute. I love this bowl. You could put moss balls inside and really get a high-end Restoration Hardware designer look for less. And I love that. So moving on to Kirkland's. I don't know if everyone has a Kirkland's, if it's just in my area, if it's just in the South, I'm not sure, but I will try to link as much as I can. I saw this chair. This is a perfect dupe for the Pottery Barn. Actually, looking at that price, maybe it's not a dupe. I didn't know it was that expensive when I was looking in store. But anyway, more vases over there. I loved that chair. Either way, I will link it. I'll try to find something similar. Actually, you know what? I'm pretty sure Walmart has a chair just like that. That's way more affordable. So moving over here, more vases on those shelves back there. You can see I really liked these ones. I thought they could be really, really cool. It kind of reminded me of Coastal. Yeah, I loved this throw pillow, very textured, almost looked like an animal print. I thought it was really, really cute. Table back there I thought was awesome. And then I saw these pumpkins. I loved these black glass pumpkins. I thought they were really, really pretty and aesthetic, would look beautiful on a shelf. And then just more home decor. I'm just kind of taking my time and looking around to see what I see. There's a lot of different options. And it's so funny because Rob pointed out, like up at the top there, doesn't that mirror back there look like the same one that we have on our mantle? I should have just came here. So that's another dupe, a way more affordable option than the one that we have. The one we have is from CB2. So a little CB2 dupe in Kirkland's, more lamps over here. Yeah, just affordable options. And I love that these types of stores, you can see the signs even here, 30% off. They're always having 50% off. Love this cutting board. This reminded me of a cutting board that you could find at West Elm and Crate and Barrel. They have a lot of that same type of style with the marble and the wood accent, more of that Anthropologie inspired mirror at a way more affordable price tag. And I just love it. There was just such a wide variety of selections in these stores, and hopefully this was able to give you some inspiration. The last thing that I found was a Pottery Barn nightstand dupe. I loved this nightstand. I thought the wood was beautiful. I loved even the pull-out drawer option. Like it's just really, really cute, very aesthetic and gorgeous. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of the little shopping that we did, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.